Okay, so the reason that your video looks like this is because I'm going to show you how to put your makeup into your compact. So your compact is going to come like this. You open it up, there's a mirror, and this is magnetic, okay? And so sometimes the highlights and contours come out really easy, like this one. You just slide it out. Whoops. Slide it out like this. And if that happens, then you take it and you just pop it in to your compact like that. It's magnetic. It will stick. However, sometimes they are a little less easy to come out, and if you try to open it, well, this one's coming out easy too. You try to open it and you can, it won't come out. You take a piece of tape and you put it on the bottom here. Any type of tape will do. I don't know if you can see this tape. Put it on the bottom, hold the compact back here, and then you just pull on the tape and it'll slide it right out. Okay? So then you take that and you put it in your compact and slide it over. And then you may have, let's see, I don't have a contour right here. I have an illuminator. So I'm going to put the tape on the bottom here, and I'm going to hold it from the back and just slide it out like that. So just pretend this is my contour and pop it in there. So see, they're not coming out. It's magnetic. And then a lip and cheek color. And take it out and pop it in. So there you have your two highlight colors. This is supposed to be a contour color, and your lip and cheek color, and they're all in there. They don't pop out. It's all in one little candy compact. So there you go. That's that.